upright direction. Okay, upright direction. तो function of leaf, तो leaf का function क्या है? It is a food factory. But we know that the function of stem is what? It makes the plant to stand upright in an upward direction. Okay, सीधे खड़े रहने में मदद करता है या खड़े रहने में. Next is given. Third one, root conduct water to the leaves. Root conduct water to the leaves.
No, ma'am.
What conducts water to the leaves?
Ma'am,
Yeah. So let's see. Root conduct water to leaves. Okay, like this it is given, the statement. So root conduct, so this is wrong. In place of root, what we'll write? We'll write stem. Okay, तो एक बार when you will start writing in your notebook, जब आप notebook में आज लिखना शुरू करेंगे, तो first you will write the wrong statement. आप पहले पूरा ये wrong statement लिख लेंगे, फिर next line में आप इसको correct करके stem conduct water to the leaves ऐसे पूरा लिखेंगे. Is it clear? First you will write the incorrect statement, and after writing that incorrect statement, you will then afterward rectify it and write it again. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the number of petals and stamen in a flower is always equal. The number of petal and stamen in a flower is equal. So this is what? Unequal. ये गलत है. जरूरी नहीं है कि जितने petals होंगे उतना ही क्या होगा? Stamen. Stamen is what? Male part of a flower. So it's not compulsory that the amount of stamen is equal to the amount of what? Petals present in flower. Let's see once again. Suppose this is a flower which I have made yesterday. I have shown you also live. So this is stamen. So the amount of stamen is not equal to the amount of what? Petals here in the flower. Okay. Petals yesterday, hibiscus flower I have shown. Hibiscus flower I have shown yesterday to everyone. Red color flower. Hibiscus. There you all have seen how many petals were there. Okay. 5 petals. To 5 petals, what is the term used for 5 petals? Pentapetal. Yes, very good. Pentapetalis we used to give the name to that. So it's not necessary that the amount of petal which are present in a flower is equal to the amount of stamen. So how we will rectify it in the statement? Let's see how to write. The number of petal and stamen in a flower is not equal. Is not equal. Okay. Is always equal की जगह in place of is always equal, what you have to write? Not equal. ठीक है? Underline in your book right now. Underline it in your book. Is always equal की जगह what you have to write? Not equal. Is it clear?
Not equal.
Yes. Okay, now next. If the sepal of a flower are joined together, its petal are also joined together. अब दिया हुआ है कि अगर उसके सेपल जॉइंट होंगे तो उसके पेटल भी क्या होंगे? जॉइंट होंगे. सेपल यू नो, ग्रीन कलर विच आई हैव शोन इन हिबिस्कस. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, बेटर यू टेक वन फ्लावर ऑफ हिबिस्कस, यू कैन गेट इट इजीली बिकॉज it is present nearby your surrounding. So better you see the flower and see which is sepal, which is petal, which is stamen, which is pistil. It will be crystal, it will get crystal clear to you. पूरी तरह से clear हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जिनको भी जो डाउट होगा, if any doubt is there in your mind. So we are talking about sepal of a flower is equal to the petal of a flower, something like that. Okay, not sepal of the flower. Here what they have given कि जो सेपल होता है इन अ फ्लावर, समटाइम वो ऐसे ऐसे होता है. ठीक है, समटाइम यू विल गेट टू सी सेपल लाइक दिस एंड ऑन दैट फ्लावर इज प्रेजेंट. सेपल, हाउ कैन आई शो लाइक दिस? इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेकिंग बर्ड, कली जिसको लेते हैं, तो ये क्या है? ये सेपल है ग्रीन कलर का, है ना? This will be of green color and this will be colorful. If this here we have taken rose bird, गुलाब की कली हमने ली है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप जब सेपल देखेंगे तो ये सेपल सारे अटैच्ड है ना, अलग अलग नहीं है. पेटल्स की तरह अलग अलग नहीं होते. They all are attached here. ओके, सो इफ यहाँ बोला गया है कि अगर क्या सेपल अटैच्ड होगा तो क्या होगा, पेटल्स आर ऑल्सो अटैच्ड, तो क्या पेटल्स भी जॉइंटेड होंगे? तो नो, नो.
No, ma'am.
So how we will rectify that? If the sepal of a flower are joined together, its petal may or may not be joined. Okay, what we have to write? May or may not be joined. हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता, because exception are everywhere in bio as well as in chemistry, which you don't have to study. So in place of what, petals are also joined की जगह पे, in place of उस statement पे जहां लिखा हुआ है petals are also joined, पूरे स्टेटमेंट में वहां पे आप क्या लिखेंगे? पेटल्स, यहां इसको अंडरलाइन कर लीजिएगा, लास्ट में लिखिएगा मे और मे नॉट, हो भी सकता है, मे नॉट बी joined. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now moving further, F. If the petal of a flower are joined, then the pistil is joined to the petal. What is pistil then?
Ma'am, female part of the flower.
Female part of
Now
a flower.
here given कि अगर petal joint होगा, which I'll show you in the next class, कुछ फ्लावर ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पेटल एक ही में चिपके हुए रहते हैं, ठीक है, पूरा एक ऐसे घूमा हुआ. कुछ देखिए, what is called joint petal. This is the center of the flower and whole petals, all the petals are joined together. ऐसा कुछ हो तो this is what called, this is what called joint. ठीक है, पूरा जुड़ा हुआ है, एक फ्लावर पूरा जुड़ा हुआ है, एक फ्लावर का पेटल सारा क्या है, एक ही में है, पूरा एक बोलेंगे. बट इफ आई एम मेकिंग दिस फ्लावर हियर, सो मेनी इंसिजन कटिंग्स हैं बहुत सारी, तो दिस इज व्हाट, many petals are here. How many petals? 1 2 3 4. Okay, but here when we'll talk about this flower, this is all what, how many petals are here in this flower? One petal. Why? Because this petal is what, fused, this petal has fused together to form a single petal. यहाँ पे सारे क्या हो गए, आपस में मिलके एक पेटल का फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, पेटल में इंसिजन आया है, मतलब कटिंग जैसा है, एंड दिस हैज फॉर्म्ड हाउ मेनी पेटल्स, 1 2 3 4. अब समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेपरेट पेटल एंड फ्यूज्ड पेटल? से यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो ये है फ्यूज्ड. फ्यूज्ड मतलब जो आपस में मिले होते हैं, ठीक है, दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ फ्यूज्ड वन, फ्यूज्ड फ्लावर, फ्यूज्ड पेटल. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट, दिस काइंड ऑफ पेटल इज व्हाट, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ पेटल, फ्लावर हैविंग सो मेनी पेटल्स. तो आपने रोज कल देखा था, then also hibiscus I have shown, 2 flowers I have shown yesterday, that have which kind of petal, they have many petals in that. Okay, so if the flower, if the petal of a flower are joined together, then pistil is joined to the petal. Then आप क्या लिखेंगे, pistil may or may not be joined. लिखिए, stop discussing. Pistil may or may not be joined. Okay, moving to the next question, which is given, question second. Draw a leaf, which I hope you all have drawn. Leaf draw कर चुके हैं आप? Leaf. Yes. Leaf draw किया है आप लोगों ने कॉपी में?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The structure of a leaf. Okay, so draw it today. Structure of a leaf which I have made like this. You have to draw it in your notebook. Okay, what you have to do? Draw it in rough right now. Rough copy में इसको draw करिए. Leaf को. Leaf apex. Afterward, this is Mid rib. Next is veins. And next to the vein, veinlets are present. Okay. Veinlets. Okay. So these are the different parts of a flower which you have to draw. Draw it nicely. अच्छे से बनाइएगा. Right now you have to draw it in your rough notebook, and after this class, when you'll get time, you just draw in your notebook and color it also. Okay. So this is all about the structure of a leaf. Next is given. Next, what they have asked? Tap root. Tap root. You all have drawn tap root?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see tap root I'm drawing here. This also you can draw in rough.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
afterward. Okay, so this is the structure of a root, of a tap root. Okay, this is primary root. Primary root, which is also called as main root.
Main root.
Yeah. So दोनों नाम लिख लीजिएगा. Main root or primary root. Next to primary root, this is secondary root. Secondary root, and the root which are attached with the secondary root is what called? This root is tertiary root. T-E-R-T-I-A-R-Y. Tertiary root. Tertiary, T-E-R-T-I-A-R-Y. Tertiary root. Okay. Tertiary root. So this is the structure of a tap root. इसको draw कर लीजिएगा notebook में, and use wax color. Sketch color use करेंगे तो अच्छा color नहीं हो पाएगा. Try using wax color for coloring that. So थोड़ा बड़ा बनाइएगा root को ताकि सारे parts, all the parts will be visible. Otherwise all will get mixed with each other. You can't identify which is primary, secondary or tertiary. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Video नहीं आ रहा.
Next.
Ma'am, please repeat once.
Next question is, can you find a plant in your house or in your neighborhood which has a long but weak stem? Yeah. Can you tell me a plant which is there in your house or in your neighborhood or in your colony which have a long but weak stem? Long and weak stem, very easy. Sugarcane, maize. If you are having nearby your house, then you can write this example, or you can write banana. The best example is banana.
Ma'am, question 2 का C point आपने बताई है.
Flower already we have done. अब कितने बार बताऊं? Flower we have done, no? Yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, वैसे ही बना देंगे question 2 में.
As it is, only you have to draw and you have to label it. Labeling इसे कहते हैं जो नाम हम लिखते हैं साइड में. This is called what? Labeling. Okay. So I have not said this why, because already we have done this. Flower हम लोग कल homework शायद दिया था मैंने आपको. You have to
yes,
draw.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, उसे सूखने के लिए रख.
Very good. Now look at here. Third question. What? Third question they have asked about what? In your neighborhood or in your house, if you are having a plant with long stem and weak and long stem, तो ऐसा कौन सा प्लांट है आपके आसपास except this? तीनों के अलावा अगर कोई ऐसा दिख रहा हो तो नाम बताइए. Papaya is very strong. How come you are saying papaya? बारिश आती है तो बनाना का पेड़ तो क्या होता है, गिर जाता है. Yes.
Ma'am, grabs. Ma'am,
Grabs is a climb birds. They are talking about
Tree.
a normal plant. Yes. What will be its answer? Any guesses?
Watermelon.
Yes. तीनों में से कोई नहीं होगा. All are incorrect. The answer will be climber. Climber. The answer will be what? Answer will be climber. जब मैं पढ़ा रही थी तो आपको बताया था a plant with long but weak stem. इनके stem कैसे होते हैं? वीक होते हैं, बहुत वीक होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? क्लाइंबर बोलते हैं. तो क्लाइंबर लिख लीजिए. यस, क्लाइंबर. ओके, क्लाइंबर written. Written. Okay, now moving to the next question. Next question, what they have asked, question number 4. Question 4 we are now going to do. Right, what is the function of stem? Function of stem. So I'm writing here. Function of.
Ma'am, water supply.
मैम उधर नहीं दिख रहा है.
Ma'am,
मैम उधर नहीं दिख रहा है.
The function of stem.
जो लिखी.
food and water supply.
Transfer the water and mineral from root
Hold.
to the part of
The plant
upright direction.
upright, in upright direction.
And support the plant.
In upright direction. And next is
Transfer the water.
next.
And transfer the water and mineral from the root to the other part of the plant. मैम
Yes.
मैम आप सेकंड में
Transport. TRANSPORTING. After R, TING is there. Transporting water and mineral from.
root to the other part.
Till mineral you all have written. Mineral तक लिख लिया है. Water and mineral from.
Other part. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am लिख लिया.
From के बाद लिखिए root to shoot. After from you have to write root to shoot.
Ma'am done.
From के बाद यहाँ लिखा हुआ है root to shoot. Written?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Moving towards the next question. The next question is, which of the following leaves have reticulate venation? इसमें से किस leaves के reticulate venation है? We have done many times, and let's see to check your IQ level. Are you all ready?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So let's see how many of them are able to do that. Many of them, if they are using old book, they can give the answer very quickly. It's already.
WhatsApp group is using enough.
Which of the following leaf have reticulate venation? Wheat. Wheat. Tulsi. I'm writing here and afterward we'll solve it. Okay, Tulsi. Then maize. Then grass. Okay, till here I have written. Now tell me wheat. Wheat में कैसा venation होगा? Have you seen wheat leaf? Leaves of the wheat you all have seen? गेहूं के पौधे का पत्ता देखा है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Google it and see today after this class.
Yes,
पतले लंबे लंबे होते हैं ऐसे. तो अगर इसमें पैरेलल वेनेशन है, पैरेलल वेनेशन है, पैरेलल वेनेशन, write it down. Parallel venation. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Tulsi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tulsi.
Ma'am, reticulate venation.
Reticulate venation.
Reticulate
Yes, very
venation.
good. Reticulate venation. Reticulate. Maize.
Ma'am,
Parallel.
parallel.
Yes.
Ma'am, parallel venation.
Parallel venation. जहां पे भी आप पत्तों में ऐसी लाइनिंग सीधे सीधे देखेंगे वो क्या होगा? पैरेलल वेनेशन होगा.
Parallel venation.
नेक्स्ट ग्रास.
Parallel.
पैरेलल वेनेशन. Because
Parallel.
for both this I have given the example. जब मैं पढ़ा रही थी तभी दिया था. Till here everyone has written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is having problem?
Ma'am, coriander and China rose.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
इसके बाद
Ma'am,
लिखूंगी. Space is not there. Coriander leaf. Coriander. Reticulate. धनिया पत्ता देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
This is only
Yes,
called
ma'am.
coriander. Coriander को धनिया कहते हैं. लिख लीजिए हिंदी में. There where you have written coriander. ठीक है? धनिया पत्ती को coriander leaf कहते हैं. So that there you see reticulate venation. देखिएगा ध्यान से. If you will get coriander, check it nicely whether it is parallel or reticulate. There you will see reticulate. After that, China rose.
Reticulate.
Reticulate venation. Yes, very good. China rose. इसको भी गूगल करके चेक कर लीजिएगा what is called China rose. Otherwise you say China rose तो China से आया है तो ये है तो वो है. हाँ, you will create lot of mess here. Check it out. Which flower we are saying it as a China rose. देख लीजिएगा आज. And it has reticulate venation. Leaves भी check कर लीजिएगा, Google it. Okay. Name is only China rose. It is not from China. Next. Written.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
interesting question. The next question is, yes. Very interesting question is there for you all. Next question. If a plant have fibrous root, if a plant is having fibrous root, which kind of venation will be there in the plant?
Ma'am, parallel. Ma'am,
Yes, very good. Example किसका दिया था मैंने?
Grass का.
Yes. Grass example
Maize
I have
ka.
given when I was teaching you, when I have taught this topic, I have told that a plant with parallel venation have which kind of root? Fibrous root. तो plant जिसका parallel venation है, ऐसे लंबा लंबा venation होगा, उसमें कैसे रूट होंगे? Fibrous root. मैंने ये भी बोला था कि घास को निकाल के ऐसे जड़ के साथ देखिएगा. Which kind of root will be visible? Fibrous root will be there. Yes. So remember it well that okay, parallel venation and fibrous root. जहाँ भी parallel venation होगा, वहाँ fibrous root होगा. Next question. if a plant has, yes, what happened, Shivangi? Next question. If a plant has leaves with reticulate venation, अगर reticulate venation होगा तो which kind of root will be there? Tap root. So simply you have to write tap root. Answer आप सिर्फ tap root लिखेंगे. Okay? Tap root. Shivesh, now can you tell me what is tap root? What is tap root? Don't cheat from your notebook, Shivesh. Right now we have studied.
Root है.
No, only Shivesh will give the answer. Let me see how much he is studying. Shivesh, give the answer. Speak up in Hindi. No problem. जो भी आते बोलिए. Okay, next. Kaushlesh. Are you ready for giving answer, Kaushlesh?
Ma'am, taproot हम.
Okay, Shivangi. Shivangi, give the answer.
Ma'am, taproot के बारे में.
Yes, yes. We are talking right now about the taproot. Give the answer.
Ma'am, taproot में ज्यादा fibers नहीं होते हैं, but fibrous root में ज्यादा fibers होते हैं. Ma'am,
Taproot has main root.
Main root and secondary root.
Yes, and the taproot is called the main root.
How come you all are forgetting every time? Taproot is what? Formed of 3 kind of roots. One main root, then secondary root, and then tertiary root. Okay? Don't forget it. Fiber होते हैं नहीं होते. This is wrong. Whole plant body is formed of fiber. We can't say ये नहीं बना वो नहीं बना. Okay? Next question. Next question is it possible for you to find out whether a plant has taproot or fibrous root by looking at the impression of its leaf on a sheet of paper? Okay, this is what we have to do. Like in your childhood, or या अभी childhood में ही है आप क्या करते होंगे? You are putting your this palm on a sheet of paper and then you are taking the impression. आप क्या करते हैं? अपने impression को लिखते हैं like this I am doing here. What I'll do? I am taking the impression of this and simply this is what I have taken here. Impression. छाप जिसे कहते हैं in Hindi. What we are saying, छाप, impression. Okay. So what we have to do here in this question, जैसे मैंने हाथ का लिया वैसे अगर किसी का leaf का impression आपको दिया रहे, suppose I have made impression of this leaf like this. So now by looking the impression, छाप को देख के, can you tell that this kind of leaf contain which kind of root? ऐसी leaf कैसे root को contain करेगी? Yes.
Reticulate venation.
Reticulate venation में कैसे roots होंगे?
Ma'am, taproot.
Yes, very good. इससे पहले अभी तुरंत पढ़ा है कि the plant which are having what? Reticulate venation, उनमें कैसे root होंगे? Tap root. बिल्कुल एकदम रट जाइए कि plant with reticulate venation having tap root, and plant with fibrous venation is which kind of root? Sorry, parallel venation is having which kind of root? Fibrous root. Okay, सिर्फ question को थोड़ा सा घुमा दिया गया है so that आप क्या करें, थोड़ा सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाएं. Impression लें या आप live leaf को देख के या खेत में देख के बता सकते हैं this plant consists of which kind of root, whether tap root or fibrous root. Without taking it out, you can give the answer by just only viewing the leaves. आप सिर्फ view कर सकते हैं, देख के बता सकते हैं कि कैसे plant का कैसा leaf होगा, root होगा, sorry. Okay, next question. What are the parts of flower? How many parts of flower in the how many parts of flower are there in a plant? Yeah.
Four.
4. Yes. First one is
Sepal.
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 Second is
Petal.
petal. Third is stamen.
Stamen.
Fourth is
Stamen and
pistil. Okay. So
Pistil.
how you have to write the answer? Let's see. Let's begin with the answer. And this is the last question for today. Rest of the question we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. The different parts of flower are first is sepal, second is petal, third is stamen, and fourth is
Piston.
pistil. Yes, very good.
Pistil.
4 parts are there in flower, and which makes the flower complete. अगर चारों part present रहेंगे तो then it is called complete flower. That is another question.
Complete flower.
तो वो आपको नहीं लिखना है कि complete है कि incomplete. Only you have to write this 4 parts of a flower. आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं stamen को और क्या बोलते हैं ब्रैकेट में, और pistil को क्या बोलते हैं. आप एक ऐसे लंबा भी लिख सकते हैं. sepal को आप क्या बोलते हैं, and petal को क्या बोलते हैं, calyx, corolla, and this side androecium, gynoecium. You can write it. Okay. Now the homework which I have given yesterday, can you? Everyone has done?
Ma'am.
Okay. Shivesh, starting from Shivesh. Show me your homework.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Today's homework is, listen it side by side. Today's homework is to write all the question answer. Means exercises which you have done today, you have to write down in your notebook. Okay? जो आज हमने किया है यहाँ क्लास में.
क्या करना है?
Yes, very good. Very good, Shivesh. Labeling you have done? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ पूछिए, क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
मैम क्वेश्चन 8 में
Question 8.
क्या करना है?
Is it possible to find out? Oh, question 8 में yes. What we have to write? Question 8 में yes, because plant with reticulate venation having fibrous root. Fibrous root की tap root. Tap root. यही लिखना है.
मैम
थैंक यू मैम.
मैम
Hmm?
क्वेश्चन मैम
Yes, speak up.
मैम क्वेश्चन 6 में कौन सा क्या लिखना है?
Question 6 only parallel venation you have to write. जब मैं करा रही थी तो सब सोए थे, and now all have came alive now. Okay? So these question you have to do in your notebook.
क्या है?
Question जो आज कराया है उसको आप notebook में कर लेंगे, and the diagrams which we have done, tap root, fibrous root, tap root, fibrous root, diagram note down करिए. Tap root, fibrous root, and leaf, which I have drawn here. This you have to draw in your notebook, which is already a part of this. This is already a part of question 2. तो अगर आप question 2 करेंगे तो ये सारे parts आ जाएंगे. Okay? Any other problem?
कल का
Yes?
वक्त दिखाए मैम.
Yes. That only I am saying. Shreya Gupta, show me your homework quickly, beta. We are only having 1 minute.
फाइब्रस रूट के बाद क्या लिखी है?
Leaf, leaf, leaf.
मैम मैं दिखाऊं?
Yes. Shreya Gupta.
मैम मैम जैसा बोली थी कि फ्लावर को पेपर में करके फिर उसको चिपका के करना है, तो मैम मैं कल पेपर में फोल्ड की थी, तो आज मैं उसको चिपका के लेबल करूंगी. मैम प्लीज कर दीजिए.
मैम बट आप एक और बनाने के लिए दी थी.
देखिए आपको ऐसे भी ड्रॉ करना था और आपको लाइव भी चिपकाना है, मतलब ओरिजिनल फ्लावर भी चिपकाना है, तो आप ड्रॉ कर लीजिएगा.
मैं ड्राइंग वाला दिखाऊं आपको?
बिल्कुल दिखाइए, कहाँ है आप? दिखाइए.
Yes, ma'am.
Hardly 1 minute is there. And those they are showing homework every day now. At last, during examination time, I'll give them 10 out of 10 for NBSC.
Ma'am, stamens, pistil, anther, and filament.
It's not visible. Where are you? Your video is off, I think.
No, ma'am.
Yes, you have switched off your video, beta. Check once. Okay.